Today I'm going to talk about a subject which is mainly five must weapons for your career success. Let's just go through one by one. The first and the foremost is selection of a path and goal setting. You need to really set your goal and define a path for reaching your goal. That is very important. Be it any field like medicine or engineering or physics or chemistry, or be it a teaching job, or be it a builder, or be it a architect, or be it a software programmer, you need to first select which line you need to go. Fix your goal and then start laying a path for that. Now, how do you lay a path for that? Yes, that is the second one. Investment on self. You need to invest on yourself for upgrading your skill, for educating yourself on the skill, like training programs. You undergo training, you learn a lot, you try to learn from a master or from an online tutorial. So go to a tutorial directly or a physical coaching and try to upgrade your skills and know more about that, because that is going to be your career. That's going to be your goal. So that is where you need to really become efficient, fully knowledgeable, and see that you are an expert in that field. That is the mastery you need to be if you want to go in that direction, achieve the career path, and achieve the highest pinnacle of success in that. The next and the foremost is, when you want to be a master of the field, you should try to do lot of research and lot of study on that. What is happening in the field? What is the facts and figures of the field? What are the process in place? Where it is all used, and how it is all used, and how can you make a mark or an impact in that field? So you need to be a master by not only equipping yourself but also try to do practically what is being done. Only if you try to get your hands dirty, you can really become a master of that field. Unless you know the nitty-gritties of that, I don't think you will be able to succeed by taking a correct decision, or your decision making could not be more perfect unless you know what's happening at the ground level. So the fourth and the most important thing is, you need to have the right-minded people around you who can encourage you, who can tell you what you need to do next, and who will try to give you tips and success, where to contact, for what, and how to be a part of your journey in success. Unless they also try to believe in you and you try to believe in them, and they are like-minded and have the right mindset towards the goals and ambitions, I don't think you should be wasting time and trying to associate with people who are not connected with it at all. There are always people around you who will try to discourage you, who will try to show the negatives of things, who will try to take you back with filling your mind with all negativities. I think you should be away from that and try to select a group which is going to be having the right mindset to carry you to that success path. Vis-a-vis, they should also be trying to go to that success path as you are going. So this is the selection which you have to make at the beginning of a career, because they may be your partners in business going forward. Needless to say that Infosys was started by 5 or 6 strong people who became multimillionaires all over the world. Then similarly, I can quote you a number of examples like HP, quote you a number of examples like Microsoft, like any other company like Amazon, like Google. So all these companies were floated by a set of friends, a set of a group of people who had the right mindset, got together and had a common goal. Unless you believe in yourself and you believe in the people around you, I don't think you can make really big in life. That is what you need to really make a decision. The fifth and the most important thing is, not only if you become a master of the field, if you know all the things, if you have the right people, that you can be successful. You should be trying to adapt yourself to the modern technologies which has taken the world by storm. Let it be field, let it be farming, let it be plowing. If you take, for example, the farming and the field and all the stuff, there are many modern equipments which have come and replaced the traditional way of farming. Sowing the seeds, plowing the fields, watering the plants, then safeguarding it from other disaster, natural disaster, and whatnot. You have lot of things which are taken, technology has taken a huge change and transformation in the way you work, in the way you do things. And this has only increased your simplicity, because it has increased your easiness to do the things, accuracy has increased, faster to do it, and all the advantages. So you need to adapt the traditional path with a technology wrapper around it, such that you are able to be successful. If you don't adopt technology which is trying to come in your way, you are going to be obsolete within no time. These are the 5 major tips, I think, which you should be adapting after you select a path or a goal which is set for yourself. Right. Now, it all depends upon you, how determined you are, because you can win only if you want to win. And you can win only so much, how much you want to win, because your mind is the only block for that. If your mind has no limitations, sky is the limit for your success. If your mind has got a limitation, then you can achieve success only to that extent. So, my dear friends, carve out a niche for yourself. See that you try to upskill yourself, invest in yourself with more and more learnings. Life is learning. The more you learn about that, the more you become a master of that. Once you become a master of that, try to get the right people with you so that you can achieve your ambition, they can achieve their ambition. Both of the group, the entire group can achieve their ambition together. Okay? And then use the technology which the world has invented and discovered so that technology can outpace everything in there and you have a cutting edge in this competition. With these few words, I would like to end my video. If it's sounding interesting, hit the subscribe button and select this channel, and wish you all the best, my dear friends.